Keep shower hardware shiny and free from water spots by drying and wiping fixtures after each use. Focus on routine care first and make it a simple habit you can maintain. After showering, use a clean microfiber cloth to dry faucets, handles, and trim so water does not evaporate and leave mineral deposits. For regular cleaning, use a mild liquid dish soap diluted in warm water on a soft cloth to remove soap scum and oils. Rinse thoroughly and dry immediately so no film remains. When mineral deposits appear, apply a 90-10 mixture of white vinegar and water on a soft cloth for only a few minutes, then wipe and rinse with plain water to prevent acid damage to some plated finishes. For brass or real copper, use a product specifically labeled safe for those metals and pat dry, rather than rubbing aggressively to preserve any protective lacquer. Avoid abrasive pads, powdered cleansers, and bleach because they scratch and strip finishes. When in doubt, test a small hidden spot first. Finally, maintain good ventilation in the bathroom and squeegee glass, and tile each use so humidity drops faster and fixtures remain dry longer. 3 common mistakes shorten fixture life and dull shine, and there are concise fixes. People leave hard water to dry on metal and then scrub, which etches finishes. Stop that by drying fixtures with microfiber right after cleaning. Another mistake is using vinegar or harsh chemicals on sensitive finishes until damage appears. Always check the manufacturer guidance and test a discrete area before applying any acid solution. A third issue is neglecting the area behind handles and around spouts where grime accumulates. Remove trim or cartridges per the maker instructions for a periodic, deeper, clean, and lubricate moving parts with a silicone-based plumber-approved grease to keep operations smooth. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share project experiences and recommendations. We host a discussion community where our members ask questions, swap tips, and report local results so we can all make better hiring choices.